Hello there, I'm delighted to welcome you to this Java lecture series called as Java Shorts, and each lecture is known as a Java Short, and as the name implies, it's going to be a short video of approximately 3 to 5 minutes duration, and it would cover one important Java language feature, although occasionally we might also discuss a Java best practice or a Java design rule. Now, as the name suggests, it's not going to give you an in-depth analysis into the feature, but it certainly will give you a comprehensive overview on the feature topic. To begin with, we might focus more on new language additions, the new language features, but sometimes we might also discuss an older topic which is considered complex and important and perhaps can be explained in an easier way. Okay? And I hope that you will like these lectures. They're going to be very useful, and if you like them, then do subscribe to the channel so that you can stay updated. Thank you and see you in the first Java Short.